सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल माझ्या सर्व यूट्यूब फॅमिलीला नमस्कार. सो
Hello,
टुडेज
Rohan.
टॉपिक.
Rohan.
येस.
Can you please do this session in English,
सॉरी.
at least English? Can you do this session in English?
जस्ट गिव मी.
Because I guess there is Sunanda.
बोथ द वे, इन इंग्लिश ऑल्सो एंड इन हिंदी ऑल्सो.
All right, it's okay, fine. Hindi, English, mixture, it's okay. Sunanda, is it
इंग्लिश एंड
okay to
हिंदी वी
speak?
आर गोइंग टू यूज.
All right, all right. So what is the agenda of today's
ओके.
session?
सो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू सी. Yes. Today we are going to see hash cracking. Okay. So let us know what is hash first, and फिर हम लोग देखते हैं उसके टाइप्स क्या क्या है, हैश क्रैक कैसे करते हैं और उसका टाइप्स क्या क्या है. एंड we will create a hash key and then we will crack it. Okay. I am sharing my my screen for you. So hash cracking, हैश क्या होता है पहले वो जानते हैं, उसका डेफिनेशन क्या है. ओके. या उसका एक्सप्लेनेशन क्या है. हैशिंग Hashing is an algorithm performed on data such as file or a message to produce a number called hash, sometimes called a checksum. Okay, the hash is used to verify that the data is not modified, tampered with, or corrupted. In other words, you can verify the data as maintained integrity. ओके. हैश क्या है? हैश एक एल्गोरिदम है जिससे हम किसी भी एक फाइल को या किसी भी मैसेज को हम लोग नंबर्स में कन्वर्ट करते हैं. जैसे एक प्लेन टेक्स्ट है. ठीक है. फॉर एग्जांपल रोहन, एक प्लेन टेक्स्ट हम लोग ने टाइप किया है, उसे हम लोग हैशिंग एल्गोरिदम यूज करके हम उसे एक रैंडम नंबर्स में या रैंडम कीवर्ड्स में उसे कन्वर्ट कर देते हैं. ठीक है. सो दिस इज हैशिंग. ओके. It is also known as what is encryption. It is the same type. What is the hashing and the encryption is almost the same thing. Okay. Encryption is a way of scrambling data so that only authorized party can understand the information. In technical terms, it is a process of converting human readable plain text into incomprehensible text, also known as ciphertext. In simpler term, encryption takes readable data and alter it so that appears as a random. Okay. Encryption requires the use of cryptographic key, a set of mathematical values that both the sender and the recipient of the encrypted message agree to. Encryption और हैशिंग, ये दोनों भी इम्पोर्टेंट है समझने के लिए आज का टॉपिक. ठीक है. जो हम लोग हैश क्रैक करने वाले हैं, जो हम लोग इट इज mostly use into the use it into the password which we are entering into the laptop, which we are entering into the websites, which we are entering into the mobiles. Okay, which we are setting up for the locks into the mobile applications. All these terms use the encryption and hashing. Okay. In computer terms, so whenever the password Rohan is typed, okay, it is converted at the background in a hash form and it is accepted by the computer. Okay. And then it has been unlocked your computer, then only a computer is agreed to unlock your computer. Hence, we are just understanding what is hashing, what is encryption we are doing. Okay, what is encryption? And we will see what are the common algorithm used. See, for example, hello, I'm typing a plain text hello, and then in encryption I am showing random text in your on your screen. Okay, whenever someone gets your password into the crypto test, he will not be able to read that is the password is hello. He will read out as the SNIFGN into a random text. He will not be able to read that is your password is hello when it is provided into the encrypted or hashing format. Okay, is it okay, Vishal? I'm going correct. Hello.
Hello? You going correct.
Okay,
Go
so we
ahead,
are
go
going
ahead.
to see
Am
the
I audible?
common algorithm. Sorry,
झोपा झोपा अंगावर नको पडू.
uh, can you just give me some few minutes so that I can connect the headphones? Hello, is it now audible? Hello,
Yes, Rohan.
Vishal, is it audible? Yes, it is audible now.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Am I audible?
Okay. Yes, yes.
Okay, please continue, bro.
So there are the few commonly used algorithm. Okay, okay. There is MD5. It is a message digest, and the version is 5. It is MD5 known as. Then it is SHA1, then SHA2, NTLM, landman, and base 32, and base 64. These are the common algorithm which is used for hashing. Means whenever you enter a password into the Facebook account or into the Gmail account, the algorithm which is set behind to convert your uh, password into encrypted or into a hash key, these are the common algorithm which has been used. Okay, so we are going to use MD5, okay, for our practical purpose, and we are going to understand how we are going to create the hash key using MD5, and then we are going to crack it using hashcat. Okay, so before s- before doing practical, before moving to the terminal, we are going to see what is hashcat is. Okay, it is a hashcat is a famous and the fastest password cracker and the password recovery utility. It is there in the Kali Linux. It is there in the Parrot operating system. If it is not, I have already shared the link into the description. You can go through it. You will be able to download it from the GitHub and you can install it. Okay, there are some features of it. The 90 plus algorithm can be implemented with performance and optimization in mind. The number of threads can be configured. Hashcat is a multi algorithm based MD5, MD4, MySQL, SHA, NTLM, DCC, and lots of others. Okay, all the attackers can be extended by specialized rule. All the attacks can be extended by the specialized rule. It is multi hash and multi OS based, Windows and Linux. We can use it into the both, into Windows also, and it is into the Linux also. It is support both hash charset and the hex salt files. Okay, so this is the utility which will we are going to use today to crack a hash key, which we will create using md5, okay, algorithm in our terminal. I will share you, you can ask me the questions, you can share wherever, whatever you, what is there in your mind, Vishal, what is, if I'm going wrong you can just stop me, and you can correct me if anything goes wrong. Okay, Sunanda,
Yes, Rohan.
if you are not understanding, if you are having any doubt, you can ask me.
Yeah, sure, Rohan.
Yeah, so I'm moving forward, moving forward and opening the terminal. Okay, because the slide is going to end it. So we are going to open a terminal. This is the normal way where you will get the terminal from your normal user. Then I'm going to log into my super user to or root user using sudo su command. I'm entering my password, login password it is. I'm zooming in so that the commands will be more clear. So first of all, we are going to create a hash key for a practical purpose. I'm going to create it for the spider. What is the name of our channel? Okay, so using echo, then n. Okay, we are going to provide all this thing here. Echo means I'm going to save this spider 123 by using md5. Okay, and I'm going to remove, see, this is the command I'm going to enter, it is echo, then my password which I have to create a hash key. Here is the algorithm I have used, md5. Okay, trd, it is I'm asking a command to remove the space and the dash, okay, or a hyphen from the file and only save the hash key into the abc text. So it is created, let me show you. See, i have I have entered spider at the rate 123, but after algorithm md5 has saved it into a random text. Okay, whenever the md5 is used, whether it is been used in my computer or it is used into the Microsoft or it is used in any other individuals or company's computer, whenever the md5 is used for and the password is used spider at the rate 123, the same random text will be generated. Whenever for spider at the rate 123, the hash key which will be generated using md5, it will be the same which I have showing you now. Okay, and let me tell you, md5 it is a one way encryption algorithm. Okay, and base 32, base 64 are the example of two-way uh, encryption algorithm. Okay, so now we are having a hash key. For example, just uh, assume this is the hash key of the computer which I have to attack. Okay, or the victim of a user from a company which I have to attack. I want to know his password. So how I will going to crack this using hashcat. So here is the hashcat command. Okay, here whenever you're going to do hashcat, just do this into h. Okay, so you will get all the information about the hashcat, what are the variables, what are the operating system it is there, how many what are the abbreviatives we can use. Okay, see here, when I am typing hyphen a, it is mean the attack mode. I am using attack mode, and then I am using am hyphen m, where is a hash type. Okay, whenever this is the type of example they have given, how we have to type. Okay, so when I have used MD5 for encryption algorithm, I have used MD5. So grep, I'm asking hashcat to give me the MD5, search for the MD5 and give me the uh, selective search related to MD5, which is there in the hashcat app utility. Okay, so here it is the number of MD5 I have used. So number for MD5 is 0. Okay, so I am going to use, see, hashcat. Okay, then hyphen a, I'm going to use attack 0. In a attacking mode, I'm going to use 0, and then my hash type, which is MD5, I have again used 0. Okay, and where my after that I'm giving abc text, which is the file where I have saved the hash key of the user. Okay, and then I'm going to give the password list, which is there. RockU, if you search on a Google, RockU is having more than 4 millions of hash keys, which is there, including the complex passwords. Okay, so this is the biggest file where which is we are going to use to crack our password. Okay, you can see we have used spider at the rate 123. It is the similar, it is not a, it should be considered as a complex password we are going to crack. Okay, so before using this, let me clear. Okay, so hashcat hyphen a, and this using this method, using hashcat, I'm going to use the word list rockyo.txt. This is the file where we are going to, there is a random password which is stored. Okay, here you can put a list of password which is you are considering or you are asking to search it from that. I am asking hashcat to go through the raw queue and search for the password which is suitable for that hash key. Okay, see, after, it is a very quick, hash key has given the hash which we have stored into abc text. It is, the password is spider at the rate 123. Okay, he has hashcat has cracked the password and give us the uh res I've shared, right? Okay, does there, I guess Vishal has left, no ways. So see, let me show you the hash key which we have stored into the abc text. See, it is the similar hash key and the password which we have encrypted using the algorithm MD5. Okay, so this is the way we can crack n number of password. Look, okay, let me try.
Okay, Vishal is waiting.
I'm sorry,
So,
Rohan. Actually, it was accidentally.
okay, no problem, Vishal. So, we have cracked the password spider at the rate 123 using hashcat. Okay, so I'm just trying the another password. Okay, like spider. Okay, I'm going to try Vishal. Okay, hash 123, and I'm going to save it into the ABC text. Okay, I'm going to modify it. Okay, now when you see the ABC text, it will it having a two keys. One is for spider at the rate 123, and the another for Vishal hash 123. So let try doing hashcat for this. Okay, whatever the let me try once again. Okay, so let me clear and again hashcat. Done something wrong. Cat ABC. It is there. Hashcat attack 0. Type is MD5 text, and it is I'm using RawQ, and I'm asking to show onto the same screen. Vishal, is I'm making any mistake? We are not getting output.
Sorry, one second. Let me zoom it. What you type hashcat hyphen a 0 hyphen a 0 abc user dot show. So you crack the password or what?
I have already. Let me save it into the different file. Let
No,
me.
it's okay. Just put the up force instead of show button. Yeah, show command
Okay.
to the up
uh,
arrow and hyphen force.
Force.
Remove the hyphen show and now enter. So you the today session is encryption, no?
Yes.
All right, all right, all right. So did you ask to Sunanda she understood or what?
Yeah, I have asked if she is having any doubt. He can ask me anything which I have not. It is not clear to her. See, we are getting a result. It is showing exhausted. Means the Vishal hash 123, the password
Listen,
which we
listen,
have.
Rohan.
Okay.
Might be I have some issue, internet issue, or you, because I'm not able to hear you clear.
Is it now okay?
Not it. Sunanda, okay. If Sunanda is able to hear you clearly, then it might be my issue. Sunanda, his voice is okay or not?
Yeah, it's okay.
All right, all right. Please continue, Rohan.
So we have tried to crack the password Vishal hash 123, but it is not there in the rawq.txt.
Just
That's why it is
okay.
showing exhausted.
Can you please show me how you encrypt that password. Please show me the syntax. Syntax. How you
Okay.
encrypt that hash password.
See, this is the syntax I have used.
Uh, 1 second.
Any doubt here, Vishal?
I'm not able to see. Okay, 1 second. Eco Hyponian Vishal. Oh, okay. So this is a very complicated password. Nobody can crack that password. Okay, getting?
Yes, that's why I've used it so that I get a exhausted result.
Did you try on the simple password like 1234 and crack it?
Yes, normal spider at the rate 123 I have entered before, and he has given us the result.
Okay. Okay. So make sure that tell to your audience how if there is a simple password, the password can be cracked by the ROCU. Okay, because ROCU password file is the default or common password list. Or okay, that complicated Vishal hash 123. This one is a complicated password. Whether that password is anywhere on in any files like if you
Yeah,
creating the password file.
I'm going to add this into my I'm going to create a file where I'm going to store a random password including this Vishal hash 123, and then I'm going to show the result.
Yeah, you can crack this then.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
when I'm using rocku.txt here,
uh,
the in
uh,
rocku.txt the hash for the hash key Vishal hash 123 is not available as it is a
yes,
complex password. But
yes.
if when you are using a text file or a password list where which is having Vishal hash 123 or the complicated
Then
password
you
which
can yeah, it is you will definitely crack then.
yes. So here I am making a um, nano nano test dot txt. I'm creating a pay here 1234 spider at 123 admin at 123 password 123456789. Okay, so I'm just randomly I'm saving this file and going to use it into the hashcat. Okay, let me check whether it is created. Okay, so it is created now. When instead of rocku.txt, I am going to use the password list which I have just created for the practical purpose. Is showing exhausted. No, something has happened. Okay, let me save it into the different here cd. Okay, now I'm going to track cd. Let's
Sometime what happen, the hash value will not pass it.
maybe
Okay.
let me see whether
When you adding the hash, hello, Hello, Rohan.
No, I have not added, so that's why it is not showing. Shall- Okay. Now it will show me the result. See, whenever we are giving any file or any using a file to crack the password, we are, using utility like hashcat, it just assume it is like doing a probability. If it is there, we will show you. If it is not there, we will show you exhausted. Okay, so when I'm using the rocku.txt, it was showing exhausted. Previously, when I was using the test.txt, when where Vishal hash 123 was missing, it was showing exhausted. But as I have entered the password Vishal hash 123, when I have made it available in test.txt, it is showing me cracked. Okay, so whenever the hash key is generated using the algorithm, whether it is a base 32 or base 64 or SHA1, SHA2, MD5, whenever or wherever it is being used, whether it is in my computer or it is in yours, the hash key for your password will be remain same. When you're typing a password, Rohan, in your computer, the hash key for Rohan will be same when I am entering into my computer. Okay, when I am entering Rohan password in my computer, the hash key will be same because the algorithm behind it, it is the same. Okay, when I'm using, so any doubt, any questions, Vishal, if you want to ask, Sunanda, if you want to ask to me. Do I am audible? Do I am audible?
Hello, hello,
Vishal, any
hello.
doubt you want to ask? I get Sunanda left because of internet connection. He may be got disconnected. But there is one more person, Sachin is there in audience. सो गाईज आज आपण बघितलं की कसं आपण हॅश क्रॅक केलं. इट इज हा कम्प्लिटली सेशन इंग्लिशमध्ये ठेवला कारण की खूप जे स्टुडंट्स आपल्याबरोबर जॉईन झालेले, ठीक आहे, आपल्याबरोबर विशाल वाघमारे पण होते. नॉर्मली विशाल असला तर आपण कधीच मराठीमध्ये पण आपल्याला चालतं, कधी इंग्लिशमध्ये घ्यावं लागतं कारण की असे खूप स्टुडंट्स आहेत ज्यांना मराठी समजत नाही, पण त्यांना शिकायचं आहे, त्यांना ते मटेरियल्स पाहिजे, त्यांना ती अंडरस्टँडिंग पाहिजे असते. सो कधीतरी असं होणार की आपल्या चॅनलवरती इंग्लिशमध्ये, हिंदीमध्ये किंवा इतर कुठल्या लँग्वेजमध्ये ही सेशन होणार आहेत. ठीक आहे, सो ॲक्सेप्ट दॅट. सो ठीक आहे गाईज, लेट मी चेक, एकदा मला चेक करू द्या. विशाल इज गोइंग टू जॉइन और इज हॅव्हिंग सम इंटरनेट इशू. ओके, लेट मी चेक वन्स. ओके. सो गाईज सॉरी, थोडासा आपल्याबरोबर झालंय. ठीक आहे की विशाल वाघमारे मे बी इंटरनेट कनेक्टिव्हिटीमुळे आपल्याबरोबर डिस्कनेक्ट झाले. सो नॉट एन इश्यू. ठीक आहे, जर काही डाऊट असतील तर नक्की कमेंट करा. आजचा व्हिडिओ जर तुम्हाला आवडला असेल तर नक्की लाईक करा. नवीन असाल तर सबस्क्राईब करा आपल्या चॅनलवर. ठीक आहे, आणि जास्तीत जास्त शेअर करा, कारण की आता कुठे मटेरियल स्टुडंट्सपर्यंत पोचत आहेत. ठीक आहे, ज्यांना रिक्वायर्ड आहे त्यांच्यापर्यंत पोचत आहेत आपले मटेरियल्स. सो इट इज होप, रे ऑफ होप. ओके, सो लेट्स सी. ठीक आहे, कसं चालू आहे आय डोंट नो, पण जर लाईक तो बनता है अगर जर तुम्हाला आता आवडला असेल तर. सो नेक्स्ट आपण सेकंड मॉड्यूल स्टार्ट करणार आहोत. आपल्या नेक्स्ट व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण बघणार आहोत सायबर सिक्युरिटी काय असते. सायबर सिक्युरिटी रिलेटेड जेवढी पण इन्फॉर्मेशन आहे मी तुमच्याबरोबर शेअर करणार आहे. सो कनेक्टेड राहा आणि बेल आयकॉनला दाबा, कारण की बेल आयकॉन आपल्याला नोटिफाय करतो आपल्या नेक्स्ट व्हिडिओ रिलेटेड. सो आजच्यासाठी बाय बाय. आय एम एंडिंग अप.